Hello and welcome to the course How the Students Can Make Money Online. My name is Dr. Hafiz. I am the course founder. I have a doctoral degree in human resource management and currently serving as additional registrar Khyber Medical University, Peshawar, Pakistan. I'm a professional research blogger and a YouTuber. This online course is intended to provide you a window of opportunity to learn different ways how to make money online. Besides, you will have the prospects to hone your digital skills at the same time. In this online course, I will explain how you can make money online through blogging. I will further elaborate how to start blogging and how to launch your own video channels successfully in order to become independent bloggers, YouTubers, entrepreneurs, and opinion makers.